The articulated robot has the characteristics of multiple degrees of freedom and high flexibility. Key components are developed by HIWIN technology, including crossed roller bearings, the torquer robot reducer, AC servo motors, among others. HIWIN robot has friendly human-machine interface, digital switch, real-time motion simulation, and modular programming steps. With touchscreen, this will be more intuitive and easy to operate. There are limit speed switch, safe multi-brake switches, and emergency stop devices to protect the safety of the operator. Application areas include loading and unloading, packaging, alignment, assembly, deburring, polishing, dispensing, stacking, and testing. It is suitable for various industries and is a good partner for automated factories.